Previously, we interrupt our regular programming. Important details will follow.
Transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Korean government. This is the end of humanity as we let you know it. At 44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the black cars are taking over the world again and kidnapping even more people. Soon the leader of the black cars will with kidnapped the entire Earth. There's no way we can stop this situation. Join Tupac Code and goodbye to all the world. Oh, and by the way, after they do that, they would do that to all the planets and the stars. Comments made for asteroids and moons. I will see in afterlife.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Korean government. The Korean government has no choice but to send the bombers to all the countries in the world. These jobs are not nuclear, don't worry, these jobs are not nuclear. But they're still very dangerous. Seek shelter immediately, stay tuned for more updates.
With the Kroger app, wherever you order.
Hello guys, I'm back. As I was saying, the following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government and in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Another space event has been taking place. At 8 o'clock Mountain Daylight Time, the moons are taking hostage in the Devil planet, who's in the solar system making vlogs of crashing planets into stars, comments into planets, meteors into planets, and moons into planets, and who's home of the demons. They'll pass right by Earth, and it's going to make a huge explosion. That is going to. The Canadian wildfire is back, and the entire world will be covered in a wildfire. I'll be out again. See you when the Earth is recovered.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and message is not a test. 18 noon Mountain Daylight Time. The moons are throwing the Devil planet into the sun when the Devil planet collides with the sun. A giant explosion in the solar system will occur. Big wildfires will be all over the world, and the sun will be blocked almost all year. There's no way we can stop this situation. Go back into panic mode. If you want to pray to your goddess or goddess of beauty, we'll play our final playing of our national anthem. Everyone in the world, please stand by.